Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to detox your lungs naturally through exercise. My name is Justin Vanderwerk and I am Captain Health, and I love to exercise and I love to run. So let's jump into the first thing of why exercising is a good way of detoxing your lungs. It's good because when you're working out, you're pushing your muscle, you're pushing your lungs to work harder, right? So your breath rate increases, right? Your heart rate increases. What this does is it gets the circulation of your blood, which, your oxygen goes into your blood cells. It gets it to circulate better. It improves the circulation. And by improving the circulation, what it does is it takes out the excess carbon dioxide that your body creates while exercising. So you're naturally detoxing your lungs of carbon dioxide that's in your body. And you already know that's what we let out. So we don't want carbon dioxide in our body. We want oxygen. We need the flow of oxygen to have better circulation. So by exercising, you are working out this muscle, you're making it stronger, and by doing so, your circulation increases. What other things it does is it also increases your physical and your mental health. What it also does is it decreases some lung diseases, like having an asthma attack, right? Asthma is a disease. It's not curable. The ones that say that, they had it as a kid and it went away is usually misdiagnosed. So it won't get rid of the lung disease completely. What it really does is it gets rid of lung symptoms from that disease. And what it also does is, going back to the carbon dioxide topic, is that when you start working out regularly, your lungs and your body starts getting used to it. So what it does is it increases your lung capacity, which increases the oxygen intake. And by increasing your oxygen intake, your body will produce less carbon dioxide the more regularly you work out. So by exercising, you're already producing less carbon dioxide in your body. And with the perfect circulation, it's getting rid of the excess, and it'll help your blood flow better. It'll help you breathe better, and it'll help you breathe in oxygen that much better. And the last thing I want to say about it is always talk to your doctor first before working out, before exercising or running, right? You want to come up with an asthma action plan to prevent any asthma symptoms from happening or prevent any asthma attack from happening. So always talk to your doctor first. Come up with that asthma action plan with them, whoever your doctor is. And if you go to a specialist, then talk to your specialist. Always have your rescue inhaler with you. And most of all, workout makes your lungs stronger. And that's the whole thing, right? You're detoxing your lungs, which detoxing it makes your lungs stronger, which will help you with your lung disease, whether you have asthma, whether you have COVID, or whatever else you might have, by regularly working out, but also making sure you're doing it with your doctor's advice, because he'll give you precautions, he'll give you safety tips to stay safe, like my doctor did. So by doing so, it'll help you detox your lungs, get all that carbon monoxide out of your body. Not having any more dioxide in there makes you breathe better, which makes you breathe easier, which will give you less asthma symptoms. And that is why exercising is one of the ways to detox your lungs naturally. If you're liking this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to be having the last tips of how to detox your lungs naturally in the next video. And that one will be talking about eating anti-inflammatory foods and how drinking green tea is good for your body. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching.